Hello everyone, my name is Sami from ERP Hub, and in today's video I'll be explaining how to set up your CRM system on Zoho when you first log in. I'll cover personal and security settings, users and control, how to manage your modules and fields, creating a user profile, and how to manage your extensions and integrations within CRM. Before we begin, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Now let's get started. So we're on the back end of Zoho CRM. You can access this by clicking on the setup icon right here on the top right. This is where most of the customization and setup is done. The general settings is where you'll go to set up and manage your company information and details, including company name, logo, address, website, and other relevant details. I won't go too much into depth with that, but I suggest you get that out of the way first. Next, I'll go over the security control settings. When you first start on the CRM, you should focus on your profiles, roles, and data sharing, and you can do that by clicking on the security control button. The profiles on Zoho CRM control what users are allowed to do. Here you can set the permissions for module access and permissions, decide what data, role, or can see, and pretty much control who can do what. Is this type of user allowed to create, edit, export, or see the back end? This can be decided here. Here we have two profiles already created and existed in the system. We have administrator and standard. Accessing the administrator profile, the profile usually has control for most things. You can look through these options and decide what the administrator can do here, but I recommend not changing anything for the default role. If you scroll down, you'll see more permissions in the bottom, and these are back-end permissions that you are not allowed to turn off. If you'd like to build a new profile based on this administrator profile, you can simply click on this clone button here. And let's say we wanted to create a new profile for a salesperson. We would just fill that in and create it. And it would clone this, and we can go in and change any of the permissions that we want to. So I can go in, and maybe we don't want to give them access to deleting records on all the modules. We can take that out. And we can go in and adjust or control whatever this profile can do here. Scrolling down, when you go to the setup permissions, a salesperson doesn't need to have access to the back end, so you can mostly turn off all of these setup permissions. And we can turn on some things, including the email and chat settings and the manage templates, because we want to give them that access to that. And after you're done, you would just go back and that profile has been created in your system. You can see that here. You also have the ability to control what CRM users are allowed to see, and that can be done on the roles tab. Below, you can see there's a top-down hierarchy set up here. We have the CEO, manager, and the employee below that. If you wanted to add a new role, you can just click on this plus icon and fill in the necessary details. And refrain from making this too complicated because it can cause more mistakes down the road and make things more complicated overall. Moving on, we're going to talk about the modules and fields next. Before I show you how to manage your modules and fields within Zoho CRM, let me explain to you what they are. The tabs at the top of your screen are modules, and these are a way to organize your database of information. And if I were to click on the leads module and a specific record, the fields are the records of information that I'm capturing inside of these modules. So the fields in this leads module would be the lead owner, title, phone, all of these things that I'm capturing here. Going back to the home page, otherwise known as the dashboard page, you can customize this with metrics to keep yourself in the loop with the customers that you're engaging with. The four core modules in Zoho CRM are the leads, contacts, accounts, and deals. There are other modules as well, and you can create custom ones by clicking on this arrow or these three dots and clicking on create new module. Giving you a brief summary of each of these core modules, the leads module is specifically designed to manage potential customers or contacts who have shown interest in your products or services, but haven't yet been converted into customers. The Contacts module holds detailed information about individuals, customers, or contacts. The Accounts module manages information related to your organizations or companies that your business is interacting with. And once your lead is qualified, it will then convert that lead record into a contact, account, and deal. And the Deals module helps you manage and track potential sales opportunities or deals and helps you navigate your customer through the sales journey. Your goal as a business is to bring in new leads and let them navigate through the sales process until that deal is complete. So if you wanted to remove any unnecessary modules, you would navigate to the setup icon and under customization select modules and fields. If I were to click on this organize modules button here, this is where you can come over here and choose to show or hide modules that you see at the top of your screen here. And you can also change the order in which they're displayed. So if I wanted to remove any of these modules, I would just uncheck them and they would remove from my system. I would just have to click save. And you can add new modules again by going over here and clicking on create new module, or you can just come to this page and create a module here as well. The last thing I would like to mention real quick and recommend is to explore the extensions and integrations available within Zoho CRM. You can find them under the marketplace and settings. If you were to click on all, you can gain access to the marketplace where there are a bunch of third-party integrations that extend and add new features and functionality specific to your business needs. If you were to go back to the setup icon under Zoho, there are a bunch of Zoho integrations that allow you to connect Zoho CRM with other essential business tools that Zoho provides, like Zoho campaigns for your email marketing, Zoho Desk for your customer support, books for your accounting, projects for your project management. If you're using other Zoho apps, you should learn which integrations can apply for your business, as well as which extensions can make your CRM more extensible and easier to use. Thank you for watching this video on how to set up your CRM system. If you enjoy this content, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you need assistance setting up your CRM system, schedule a free call at erphub.com to discuss what will work for your business. We'll see you next time.